Trezor wallet versus Jaxx Liberty wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Trezor and Jaxx Liberty, two popular wallets, to help you decide which one fits your needs. Trezor is a hardware wallet that's known for its security, reliability, and extensive support for over 1,000 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more. The Trezor Model T offers a touchscreen for easy navigation, offline private key storage, and advanced security features, such as two-factor authentication and passphrase protection. Trezor is perfect for users who prioritize top-tier security and want a secure offline option for long-term storage. Its compatibility with multiple software wallets and exchanges adds convenience for active traders, while its firmware is regularly updated for enhanced protection. If you're looking to protect large sums of cryptocurrency and keep them safe from online threats, Trezor is the go-to choice. On the other hand, Jaxx Liberty is a software wallet designed for ease of use and convenience. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies with a user-friendly interface and multi-currency support. Jaxx Liberty allows you to manage your assets directly from your mobile device or desktop. One standout feature of Jaxx Liberty is its integrated Shapeshift exchange, which allows users to swap cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet without needing to use a third-party platform. While Jaxx Liberty is great for managing and swapping assets on the go, it is a software wallet, meaning your private keys are stored online, which makes it less secure compared to hardware wallets like Trezor. In conclusion, if security is your top priority and you need a solution for long-term storage, Trezor is the clear winner. If you value convenience, multi-currency support, and easy on-the-go trading, Jaxx Liberty might be the better option. Both wallets have their strengths, so choose the one that aligns best with your crypto needs. Check the description for links to both products and make your decision based on your preferences.